It does indeed, John. Now, Calibrate just launched its obesity telehealth product last June. That was June 2020. But now it has raised nearly $128 million total, with Tiger Global and Founders Fund leading this $100 million Series B round. And Founders Fund Brian Singerman is joining the company's board. Now, CEO Isabel Kenyon says the company's on track for $21 million in revenue this year, and that its members reported an average 14% annual body weight loss in just the year of using the service. Now, customers pay a monthly fee for an app and curriculum advising on lifestyle changes. Now, that is similar to what WW and Noom offer. But what makes Calibrate different is that it also includes one-on-one coaching and telehealth meetings with doctors who can prescribe weight loss drugs, and those are usually covered by insurance. Now, the target market is the roughly 74% of American adults who are overweight or obese. Kenyon told me the pandemic has been a catalyst for growth as it's expanded entirely virtually.
The potential is so much bigger without physical locations, and the consumer intent is there now because of COVID, right? Before COVID, you might not have been comfortable seeing a doctor on telemedicine, and today you are. But more importantly, I think before COVID, you weren't really focused on your underlying health. What are the conditions that put you at risk for other types of chronic disease?
Now, Kenyon said she'll use this funding to work to expand Calibrate's service and to get employers and insurance companies to subsidize the cost of the service because of the long-term savings of reducing obesity. You can find my full interview with Calibrate CEO Isabel Kenyon on CNBC.com/TechCheck. John?
All right, so that's individuals potentially getting healthier. The makeup of corporate boards also getting healthier these days, perhaps?
You know, the makeup of corporate boards are getting healthier, particularly when it comes to female representation. So the number now is 25%. 25% of board seats in the Russell 3000 are held by women. So that means we're halfway to gender equity on boards. But it is progress. I do want to say it is progress. 47% of new directors appointed in the second quarter were women, and that's what's driving the growth. The bad news, though, is that it would take 8 years at this rate to get to gender equity at this pace. So slow but steady progress from 22% last year to 25% this year.